Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Airbrush is probably one of the most exciting tools for cookie decorators, allowing for intricate designs and gradients that elevate your treats to a professional level. In this video, we'll dive into the world of airbrushing, exploring the best airbrushes for cookie decorating, and helping you choose the perfect one to bring your cookie creations to life. Number 5. Master G233 Pro Airbrush Set. Introducing the Master G233 Pro Airbrush Set. This professional-grade airbrush is designed for precision and versatility. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced artists. This dual-action, gravity-feed airbrush features a 1/3-ounce cup. It allows for easy control of paint flow and provides excellent detail work capabilities. The cutaway handle makes cleaning easy. The set includes 3 nozzle sizes, 0.2, 0.3, and 0.5 millimeters. This allows the user to achieve extra fine detail, overall spray, or wide background spray. It is suitable for various applications. This airbrush is ideal for hobbies, crafts, auto graphics, temporary tattoos, and cake decorating. It works well with most paint spray media. It is a great all-purpose tool. The cutaway handle allows for quick cleaning of air passages. The fluid control knob provides easy trigger adjustment. The set also includes a quick disconnect coupler. Master Airbrush is an industry leader. You can buy with confidence, knowing that the brand is dedicated to your satisfaction. It ensures a hassle-free experience. What we like. This airbrush offers 3 nozzle sizes, making it incredibly versatile. The dual-action control gives you precise command over your designs. Its cutaway handle makes cleaning a breeze. If you're looking for a tool that can handle both fine details and broader coverage, you should consider this. What people say. The performance of the airbrush is equally impressive. The fine detail work that this airbrush can produce is amazing, and the spray pattern is very consistent. The dual-action trigger allows for precise control of the paint flow, and the trigger is very responsive, making it easy to make quick adjustments while you work. It came with all its a little kit inside of a carrying case, which made it easy for storage, and it was heavy for that size. I was actually very impressed. It was heavy in the hand, and very heavy to weight-wise, which indicates okay quality. I mean, you never know, but it looks to be pretty good quality, and it was so amazingly easy to use. I really like the quick release, and the cleaning is much easier. It took 1/4 of the time it takes to clean the old Badger. Being able to fine-tune the flow is awesome. This completely changes the way I interact with my painting. Number 4. US Cake Supply Airbrush Color Set. Introducing the US Cake Supply Airbrush Color Set. This set features 12 of the most popular colors, perfect for all your cake decorating needs. These colors are made in the USA. These airbrush colors are highly concentrated, ensuring superior strength and vibrant results. They are also completely edible, making them safe for all your treats. You can trust the quality of this product. The colors come in sealed bottles with easy-to-use flip-top dispensers. This design makes it simple to control the amount of color you use. It's convenient and mess-free. With these intermixable airbrush colors, you can achieve an endless spectrum of magnificent colors. Create custom shades and bring your vision to life. The possibilities are truly limitless. This set is perfect for use on cakes, gum paste, fondant, pastries, and more. Whether you're a professional baker or a home enthusiast, it will elevate your creations. It's a versatile tool for any baker. All the colors are made in the USA with high-quality ingredients. They are also certified kosher, ensuring the highest standards. You can be confident in the quality and safety of this product. What we like. These airbrush colors are known for their vibrant and true hues. They are made in the USA with high-quality ingredients and come in easy-to-use bottles. If you like a wide range of colors and want to ensure the best results, you should consider these. What people say. Great for airbrush cake art. I cannot get over just how easy these were to use. Nice assortment of color choices. Good color quality. Good for airbrushing cakes. Grandsons, ages 9 and 11, used the food coloring with a new air sprayer to make a 3-layer galaxy cake. Beautiful colors. Easy cleanup. Love the product. Number 3. Airbrush Kit with Compressor 30 psi, Gold. This cordless airbrush gun offers 3 adjustable air pressures, up to 30 psi. It's perfect for various applications like nail art, makeup, and cake decorating. The higher pressure allows it to deliver a heavier coating faster. Unlike traditional airbrushes, this one lets you adjust the air pressure with the on-off button. You can also control the paint amount with the trigger. This internal blending provides consistent and smooth results, giving you better control. The 0.3mm needle and nozzle help control paint flow and reduce overspray. This allows for detailed work without wasting paint. Remember to dilute all paints before use. The set includes 3 paint cups and 5 cleaning brushes. The funnel shape aids paint flow and makes cleaning easy. This makes it great for both beginners and experienced users. It's cordless, so you can use it anywhere. The rechargeable battery lasts over 60 minutes and charges via USB. It supports fast charging with most chargers. First, test with water to check for blockages. Then, add diluent to your paints until it reaches a milk-like consistency. Finally, adjust the air pressure and the knob to the maximum to test it. What we like. This airbrush is cordless and portable, giving you freedom of movement. It offers adjustable air pressure for different effects. The set also includes easy-to-clean components. If you're looking for a convenient and mobile airbrushing solution, you should consider it. What people say. I really like the idea of a small, light unit that would be quieter, handier, and take up less space than a large compressor and hose, something I could use more quickly and with less noise and bulk for basic coverage tasks while using a heavier rig for the more demanding jobs. The compressor has a very good range of 3 settings that provide lower or higher air pressure. I need an airbrush for painting crafts. I really wanted to have a large cup option. Number 2. Master Airbrush Cake Decorating System Kit. This is a professional airbrushing system. It comes with a high-performance precision airbrush with a gravity fluid cup and a fluid tip. The cutaway handle allows you to quickly clean air passages. The mini airbrush compressor is quiet, portable, and lightweight. It operates on 12V DC power and includes a 110V AC adapter. It provides air at 18 psi and comes with a storage case. Included is a set of 4 Chef Master airbrush food coloring bottles. These edible colors are highly concentrated and provide superior strength. They are the brightest and truest colors available. This kit has everything you need to start decorating. It's perfect for bakeries or private use. It also includes a How to Airbrush ARC link card to get you started. This product is backed by a trusted brand. They are dedicated to your satisfaction, ensuring a hassle-free experience every time you use it. What we like. This system comes with everything you need to start decorating, including an airbrush, compressor, and food colors. It includes a set of Chef Master food colors. If you're a beginner or want a complete kit, you should consider this. What people say. Very consistent spray and easy to use. Unit is light and compact. It is easy to take with you and use anywhere. You have a lot of control and get good coverage of your colorant. It is easy to clean, and has a nice storage case. Number 1. Watson & Webb 29 PCS Cake Airbrush Decorating Kit. This is our most popular kit, specially designed for cake decorators. It includes all the essential accessories you need to create stunning edible art. It's perfect for both beginners and experts. Experience precision at your fingertips with the mains power compressor. Professional cake decorators trust this for consistent power and reliable airbrushing. You'll get smooth, fine results every time. Achieve the perfect blend of air and color with ease. The 4mm adjustable needle gives you precision and control. The detachable nozzle allows for fine line work, enhancing your creations to perfection. This kit features 13 vibrant colors specifically formulated for cakes and pastries. These colors are designed to pop and stay vibrant, making your creations Instagram ready. It's ideal for various surfaces. Everything is neatly organized in a durable, professional carry case. It ensures your airbrush colors, tools, and accessories are always secure and ready for use. It's easy to transport and perfect for on-the-go creativity. This kit comes beautifully packaged and is the perfect gift for any baking enthusiast. It's ideal for Christmas, birthdays, and special occasions. It's a thoughtful gift for pastry chefs and home bakers. What we like. This kit includes a wide array of accessories, including 13 matte colors and stencils. It features a mains powered compressor for consistent power. If you are looking for a professional grade kit with everything you need, you should consider it. What people say. This is the perfect airbrush for me. It's easy to use and clean and perfect for airbrushing my cookies and cakes. Packaged nicely, with no missing parts. Love the storage case with room for the 14 bottles of airbrush colors. It looks very well crafted and easy to use, and it comes with a link for videos to see how it works, I presume. The case is lovely and the sprayer sits well in it and has little cutouts for the colors to sit in, which also come with it, and a color chart for when you mix your colors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.